Arthur's Hiccups. Mark Brown. When you hear this sound, please turn the page.
Don't eat your cake so fast,
said Arthur's mother.
You'll get the...
said Arthur. D.W. giggled.
Arthur's got the hiccups! Arthur's got the hiccups!
She laughed.
It's not funny,
said Arthur.
Drink a glass of water,
said his mother. So he did. But still, he had the hiccups. Hold your breath and count to 20, said his father. So he did. But still, he had the hiccups.
I know how to get rid of your hiccups,
said D.W.
I don't need your help,
said Arthur.
My friend the brain will... No.
Arthur ran to the telephone and called the brain. Hiccups can be serious, the brain told Arthur. I read in my book of records about an old man who had hiccups for 3 years.
3 years?
Said Arthur.
Wow, what happened to him?
He died, said the brain. But don't worry, said the brain. You can get rid of them by standing on your head for 5 minutes. So Arthur stood on his head. But every time he hiccuped, he fell over.
This is more fun than television!
Laughed D.W.
Maybe Buster can help,
said Arthur. Buster came right away to Arthur's house. He brought his big joke book.
A good laugh can cure anything,
said Buster.
Here's a funny one. What's smaller than an elephant, more annoying than a mosquito, and never goes away? I don't know,
said Arthur.
Your sister,
said Buster. Arthur fell down laughing.
Not funny,
said D.W.
Is too,
said Arthur.
Well, I did my best,
said Buster.
So long and good luck.
Soon, the bell rang again. It was Muffy and Francine.
we came to cure you.
Said Muffy.
This lollipop will do it.
Said Francine.
Follow us. The key is to lick it while hanging upside down.
Said Francine.
It's an old family cure.
Said Muffy.
Works every time.
Arthur hung from the swing for a long time. Muffy looked at her watch.
Just one more minute.
She said.
Keep licking.
Said Francine. No one said a word.
I think they're gone.
Whispered D.W. Said Arthur louder than ever. Arthur hiccuped through his homework. He hiccuped while he brushed his teeth.
Are you sure you don't want my help?
Asked D.W.
You can't help me,
Arthur said.
No one can.
Arthur was still hiccuping when he climbed into bed. Suddenly, something from under the bed grabbed his leg. Arthur screamed.
Ah!
DW laughed.
I'll get you for this, DW!
Yelled Arthur. DW laughed and laughed.
Hey,
Said Arthur.
they're gone. You scared my hiccups away. Thanks, DW.
But DW was laughing so hard, all she could say was,
You're welcome!